Hello there and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Pyinfra for different operations. So let's create a new file. Oops. So what we would like to do is to provision a user on the server and create a file which belongs to that specific user. In order to do that from Pyinfra, we need to import the operations server and file. So the server's user is going to be as follows. We will name the section create test user, and the username or the user is going to be test user, and the home is going to be home/test user. Alright, now what we would like to do is to create a file, and this will be named create test user file, and the path is going to be in the temp folder and test file, and the user is going to be test user, and the group is going to be test user, and the mode is going to be 644, and underscore sudo is going to be true. So now files need to be imported, and what we can do is to use Pyinfra, and we say that we have the inventory and the ops, and we would like to limit to my hosts. And if everything goes well, it says that the permission was denied, so we need to say that the sudo is equals to true, and let's try again. Alright, now if I SSH into my CentOS machine and ID the test user, you will see that it was created, and if I check the temp directory, it has the test file there. So this is basically how easy it is to provision a user and a file which belongs to there. So what we can also do is to import, for example, the DNF, and say that the DNF.update should have the name update DNF packages, and we would like to sudo, of course, and the sudo user should be or could be specified. So in this case, ReaperPy, which is my existing user, but since I'm logging in with that user, it is going to be used. So it's not necessary to specify it. And what we could do is to specify for specific actions based on host properties. So for example, if host name is equal to CentOS or Cento, then let's do things a bit differently. And for this to work, we need to import the host class, and let's exit, and DNF, super user privileges, that's okay. And that's basically what I wanted to show you. Let's comment these out. So see you in the next one.